Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to change your Zelle limit. If you've ever hit a roadblock when trying to send money quickly, this guide is for you. Zelle is that super convenient app linked to your bank account, allowing you to transfer money to friends and family in minutes. But sometimes, the default limits, like how much you can send per day or per week, can feel restrictive. Don't worry. Changing them is straightforward and can be done right from your phone or computer. First things first, make sure you have the Zelle app installed and your bank account linked. If you're not already enrolled, head to your bank's mobile app or website and sign up for Zelle. It's usually free and quick. Once you're set up, open your bank's app and log in with your credentials. This is crucial because Zelle limits are managed through your bank, not directly in the Zelle app itself. Now, let's get to the steps. Navigate to the Settings or Profile section in your bank's app. Look for a tab that says Zelle, Payments, or Transfer Limits. It might be under Security or Account Settings, depending on your bank. Once you're there, you'll see your current daily or weekly sending limits displayed. To change it, tap on the option to edit or request a limit increase. You'll probably need to provide some details, like why you want the change, for security purposes. After submitting your request, your bank might ask for verification. This could involve answering security questions, confirming via email, or even a quick phone call. Approval times vary. Some banks process it instantly, while others might take a day or two. Keep in mind that not all requests get approved. Factors like your account history and transaction patterns play a role. If it's denied, reach out to your bank's customer support for more info. And just like that, you're all set. Adjusting your Zelle limit gives you more flexibility for bigger transfers, like splitting bills or helping out family. Remember, while higher limits are convenient, they can also pose risks, so only increase what's necessary and keep an eye on your account security. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you next time.